चेन है ना, एक तो वो हो गया, हमने कैसे उसको हैंडल करना है, सप्लाई चेन के डिफरेंट उन स्टेप्स को हमें ध्यान देना। दूसरा हो गया फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट। फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट का हमारा बुक कीपिंग कैसा होना चाहिए, अकाउंटिंग कैसा होना चाहिए।
Sher-e-Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology of Kashmir recently concluded a month-long training of trainers program designed to enhance the capacity of farmer-producer organizations in Jammu and Kashmir. Organized by the Squast Case Directorate of Research under the HIDP Project 20, Innovative Approaches for Promoting Agriculture in Jammu and Kashmir. This program was held in collaboration with the Agriculture Production Department and conducted by the National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, or MANAGE, Hyderabad.
In the follow-up program, we will go for an advanced training program, and there will be continuous hand-holding during this MOU period of 3 years.
The goal? To empower trainers who will help build the skills needed to effectively manage farmer organizations, including FPOs, cooperatives, self-help groups, and other community-based initiatives.
यूता योर छ जमा करा त्यूता छ और दिवान कंपनी पात मिसाल आज के जरा से 3 लाख जमा और दी कंपनी 3 लाख।
Manage Hyderabad brought together a team of experts to guide Squast Case scientists, agriculture officers, and key stakeholders on vital aspects such as FPO formation, business planning, sustainability, and execution.
I would like to appreciate our trainers, esteemed trainers from Manage as well as AP Mass who made all the training sessions very engaging.
Vice Chancellor of Squast K, Professor Nazir Ahmad Ganai, emphasized the importance of these initiatives. He highlighted the need to create a roadmap to transform subsistence agriculture into sustainable commercial agriculture through these FPOs.
Must convert that low remunerative, low profitable, unorganized primary sector of agriculture, primary agriculture, into a profitable, agri-businesses, commercial agriculture, but taking care that we do it sustainably. Environment has to be an important component of that.
This training marks a significant step toward empowering agricultural communities in Jammu and Kashmir, laying the foundation for a brighter, more sustainable future in farming.